What's up, YouTube? We're finishing off the flowers that I told you I was gonna make, and I already did some, so this is how they turned out. You just stamp it in the middle. I'm using a stamp with the straight line, so then I need to stamp my buckle as well. So let's go do this real quick. So you just go by the lines when you drew. Make sure you go right in the middle. Stamp it, turn it, go in the grooves again, just like a flower. How it goes like that. Snap it right in the middle of the where it goes in. And that's it. They make these flowers. Make everything from scratch. You can buy these flowers too. They're cast. I think people prefer handmade stuff than you buying everything and putting it together. You can buy the buckle, flowers. You can buy the feathers already made. But I think people prefer handmade stuff. I'll just use that to stamp my work. So just eyeball it. I'm gonna stamp. Put my name on it. There's my name. It's on a lot of my jewelry. WD. And if you guys look that up, you'll find out who I am. My jewelry. So that's it. And then we'll dome it. I'll show you how to dome them. Okay, this is the dome setting I'm using. See all these different sizes. You got a big, you got a block. Different sizes. So this we're gonna use. I'm gonna have a study one right there. And then we'll just find one like that and right here. And then all you gotta do is just hit it right in the center. And there it goes. Your flower. Then you just put a piece in the middle, a little ball. I'll show you how to do that too. So remember, watch all my videos. This is like video number 4, I think. So you'll see this whole thing finished or done. Just take him out. That's it. Pump this out. Put it back in. And that's how you dome them. Right there. And this is what I'm using. I got this at Harbor Franks. $40, I think. Maybe less, I'm not sure. Okay, now here's the feathers. This we're gonna do. This is where I just keep silver. And that one we'll do like this. Let's see. We'll get your half round. This is 14 half Remember, you got two right and two left. So two like that and two like this. So we just eyeball it. Where it goes. See? And just put it in the center. And right there, and then make it go down with the bottom feather. Like that. And just shape it with your hand. Like that, and then that's it. Mark it. And you cut it. Remember, they're all different, so don't be going. I mean, you could if you go by one real good design. You can just cut the same out every time, and so that way you know the right size for it. Let me do all these, and we'll be right back. Okay, now you just put your flux on it and follow how you shape this half round. And just put it with the feather right there, like that. Make sure you put on flux surface. So, like I told you, my bracing board's all. I need a new one. So, oh, this one's kind of bent. Flatten it out. Some more. Put this on. That's it. Then we those on, and then oh yeah, these ones too. We can do these ones too as well. We can put the balls in the middle and throw it in the acid. Okay, for the balls, we'll just use this design wire. This half round, it's 14. We'll just cut a little piece, just like that, just small. 4 of them. We cut one a little too short, so 4. And then we shall make the little balls. And the balls are right there. And we'll just see. See if they'll turn into a ball. I think we're gonna need a little bit bigger. I just added on another piece to it, so. That's it. And then just out these ones. it. And then those balls that I made, put them in flux, throw them in the center. See? Yeah, you just grab it, put it in flux, throw it in the center. Flux, center. Flux, center. You just throw a little piece of solder in there. I like to cut it and put it in there, so that way I don't put too much in there. Because if you do it with your hand, or a lot of people can do it with this, but when you do it on, it'll get in those grooves though, where you made the flower grooves. You just put it beside each one. You just heat it up. Same thing. Move your ball around. See? Try not to overheat it because this comes out real fast. Yeah. Flowers and feathers are done. Let's go stamp the feathers. Put her in acid first. Just go bezel this down. Bezel, make sure wherever you solder it right there, go in the opposite side. And just hold it. Get a bezel around. Hold it real tight. That. Try to shape it as best as you can like that. And then mark it. Mark it. And cut it. Cut this part out too. Too. And this one's tricky, so you gotta make sure it fits really good. Just make it fit best you can. See? It's on there. I'm gonna put that in there. And I don't know if I should do these ones too. Maybe yeah. This one's the same thing. Keep your stone in there and measure it the best way you can. Stuff like this, I just use my finger. That, put it on, and then use pliers. Swing it around the best you can like that. Go around the bezel. Yeah. Close it with your hand. Go around again, and you got it. See? Then you just mark it and cut it. Do both of them like that. See? And we'll both. I'm gonna put it on here. And put your stones away now. now, that's how it'll go. Now we'll just design it after this and see what goes where. We're almost done. See, that's how the balls came out. Got little flowers. Yeah, maybe just put them around here. We'll figure out how we're gonna do this. We'll figure out how we're gonna place all these. Let's go do the feathers. So this is how you make the flowers. I just get the top like that. And use a flat one, like the same as the other one. And then you just put the sides, make it look like a feather. See it? There it goes. Yeah. And you just do the other side as well. The other side. See? Get it? That's my kids. And that's how you do feathers. There it is. All the feathers right there. Then you dome it. The dome it. I already have a domer right here, so we'll just go somehow, yeah, just like that. Then you can put it down yourself, like how low you want it. When you're gonna set it to where you want it, as long as it's domed. And then you could do the sides too if you want. Use a drill. Got a drill here that my uncle got me for Christmas. It really comes in handy. I like using this thing. It's perfect. Yes, it's a good drill. I like it. It's handy. I have a big drill right there too, but this one is really handy when you like in a hurry and you don't want to do all that. It has speed. You can just clean it up. Clean it up. Oh, yeah, that's it. They look a little better. See how they're dome? How they're dome. You can set them. And let's go dome the buckle. We just, or you know what? Let's go mark it first. And they'll be on the next channel. Thank you for watching. Watch the next one where we finish everything and you see me do the flowers, the bezeline, feathers, then we'll do everything from there. All right, thank you.